May timer. Puti ka. Latte. Ano yung latte? Ano yung latte? Putik. No, latte, latte. Coffee, steam milk. Coffee, steam milk. Steam milk. Steam milk. Coffee. Ito na po order mo. Bisa mo, umalis ka na. Shoot, meron pa isa. Latte, coffee, steam milk. Coffee, steam milk, coffee. Steam milk, steam milk, steam milk. Diyos ko po. Shoot, meron pa isa. Ano to? Latte. Okay, coffee, steam milk, coffee. Ito. Prepare ng wag soy. Diyos ko po, bakit soy? Okay. Ito. Coffee, steam milk. Ito na. Ito. Lapag dito. Order. Latte. Latte mo. Ito. Oo. Ito na po. Ito na. Meron pa? Okay. Latte. Milk! Puti! Please. Ito na, please. Bilis. Ito na nga eh. Oh, alis na. Wala pang gatas. Diyos ko, hintayin ko pa to. Please. Yung timer. What? Ano nangyayari? Please. Isa mo, ito na ba kayo order eh. Oh. Ano na? Shoot. Please. Ano ba nangyayari? Hindi ako nanginginig boses ko. Tapong ko ni gatas. Bahala na si boss. Tatagalin niyo na ako. What do we do next? Ano na? What? And what? Help. May magnanakaw. Hoy, Christopher. Loko. Ang galing. Okay. Uy. Saan napunta? Breaker sa storage. Yeah. O nga no. Wala breaker sa storage. What do you mean? Yung cellphone ko. Loko. Wala ko. Oh, yes, yung cellphone. Ninakaw yung cellphone ko. Oh, teka. Yung grow garden ko, ha. What do I do? No, nalakan ako. What do I do? Nalakan ako. Shoot. Nalakan ako. What happened, Bella? Okay ka lang. Nag-lock. Saan napunta? Sa breaker? It's not working. Nasa breaker ako. Dito na makalabas. Ito breaker, oh. What? Nasaan si Zeka? Di ko na maalala yan. Help me! Hindi ako namumutla sa breaker. Wala, oh. Shit. What do I do? Please. Ayoko na neto. What is this? Am I stuck? Stuck na ata ako eh. Oh, okay. Hindi naman nakakatakot eh. I think nag-crash. Putik. Okay. Good morning. Di pa rin tapos. Balik ako ulit mamaya. Bakit hazelnut? No ko. Tama na. Okay na yan. Maganda yung stock na naman niya ako. Naka-ponytail pala ako eh. Cute. I'm back. Nightmare lang siguro yun. I think that's just a nightmare. Pwede bang magtago? Pwede. Ay. Speedrun. Speedrun strats. Tapos tatagos ako dito. Wala. Ayaw. Di pa rin tapos. Nag-start na ulan here. Naka-ready na din mga kape kahit di ako nagkakape. Gusto ko tuloy magkape. Nagugutom ako. Kirin, what do I do next? What do I do? Go out. Magbabantay kami ng bubong kasi malakas hangin. Oy, ingat ha. Kurang na lang pandesa. Uy, sarap. Pa-shoutout. I ask you pa-shoutout my idol. My inspiration. No. No. What do you mean inspiration? I'm scared. Alis lang? Okay. And then what? Ay, tinanong muna kita. And then what? Takbo hanggat may lupa? Takbo? Hindi makapag-wild drift, super bagal na net ko. Ako nga rin, hindi na makapag-wild drift kasi anong oras na eh. So kung mag-wild drift kanina, kaso gusto ko rin matapos to. Saka wala tang save. Wala tong save, no, Zekaria? Walang bakery kasi bumabagyo. Diretso lang. Yun nga lang. Okay. Diretso lang? Okay. You sure ha? Taktik kayo. Hinaan ko yung volume. No turning back. Okay. I am speed. No! Ano yun? Nakita niyo yung profile ko sa Steam ah. I am speed. I am speed. Speed. Sira yung sakyan ko eh. So, I just go. No need to go through the gate. Okay. Speed. I am speed. Yes. Finish it. I am. Wait, what happened? Kasi yung car ko. What? Nawala yung sakyan ko. Iba pagsis. Kuya, galit ng galit. Kanina pa ako, ano neto eh. Hello po. Senpai, saan ka? CR ka na naman ha. CR ka na naman, senpai. You naughty boy. Senpai? What? Customer God? Okay. Oh! You again, si investigator guy. Kumusta? So, my suspicions were true. I'm glad you contacted me. Calling the police won't help. All they do is brush things off to lessen their workload. Which is why you have people like me. I'll take a look around, see if I can find anything. Okay, ingat ka. That guy is crazy. Patay yung senpai. Legit na yan. Dedo na siya. For real? AJQT, thank you for the like. Okay na yan. Isang like lang. Huwag ka nang gumaya dyan kay Hazelnut. Ewan ko kung sobrang sa kape yan kahit di nagkakape. Uy, grabe ah. Oh boy. Salted caramel mocha here. So delicious. I think you'll love it, senpai. Leave me alone. Sabi. Pinagalitan ka ni senpai kaya si Miyata. Patay. Okay, I guess I'll try that one. So, one salted caramel mocha. I'll have a dark mocha chip. Kala ba masarap yung ano? Basta orderin mo. Sumi, you're not getting salted caramel mocha, di ba? Inuto ko niyan. Yeah, I want to try something different today. I already had one today. I see, but a chilapuccino on a day like this? You are so young. Because it's delicious. How would you like to pay your bill? Oh, is today the day of the photo shoot or something? Is the store going to be featured in the newspaper? No, I don't think so. Why? What? But I saw someone outside taking pictures. Huh, was he taking pictures at the store? Yeah, the store, and you most likely. Yeah, should have done my makeup. What are you talking about? I'm sorry, we'll pay together. The drinks are on me. What? Are you sure? Thank you so much, senpai. I'm in a good mood lately. My son used to be a shut-in and is in a better mood now that he's going to school. Your son's in middle school, right? Yeah, I just hope he wasn't bullied at school. I didn't have any good memory when I was his age. Oh boy, that's so sad. Salted caramel mocha, choco chip. Okay. Salted caramel mocha, coffee, steamed milk. Okay. Yung choco chip chilapuccino is cold. Okay. Road to 100k likes ba? Hindi! Loko. Wala namang achievement na ganun eh. Well, kahit may achievement, wag niya nang gawin yun. Okay, steam milk. Okay. This is easy. Parang wala namang ano eh. Nothing to be scared of. What if i-prep ko na to? Isa-isa na lang muna. Ano yan? Salted caramel mocha, steam milk, caramel syrup, hazelnut syrup, chocolate sauce. Oh, mali. Caramel syrup, hazelnut. Uy, si hazelnut. Ikaw yun. Chocolate sauce. In top 1. Up. Ito ko muna. Ito yung sa'yo. May ako na serve sa'yo. Isa muna. Chocolate chip chilapuccino. Kaya chilapuccino kasi it's chill dahil malamig. Okay. Ngayon ko lang na-gets. Okay. Baso. Cold. And then blended ice. Blended ice. Milk. Ano naman ito? Blended ice milk. Vanilla syrup, vanilla powder. Vanilla syrup. Sana? Vanilla powder. Powder. Up. Ako na to. Ito muna. Ito sa'yo. Ito sa'yo. Hop. Ha? Chocolate chip chilapuccino. Blended ice milk chocolate sauce putik, mali. Hindi na ako sa sweldo nito. No. Blended ice. Coffee. Putik na yan. I need coffee. Blended ice. Coffee. Saan yan? Milk. Chocolate sauce. Chocolate powder. Chocolate sauce. Chocolate powder. Chocolate sauce. Cocoa powder pala. Tama. Yep. Ano po? Okay. Mag-prep na ako na ano. Bad practice. Pero okay lang yan. Trabador lang naman ako rito eh. Actually, huwag yung gagawin yan ah. That's bad. Yan. Okay. Next customer. Wild Shift gameplay. My Twitch stream crashed. Sabihan mo ako, daga, if nag-start na ako. Loko, daga, mauubos yung data mo. Ito yung nanggulat sa akin eh. Ano? Ikaw yun, di ba? Salted caramel mocha. So, that's a hot one. Wow, that's a hot one. Salted caramel mocha. What do you want? That's hot. So, salted caramel, coffee. Meron na akong coffee, steam milk. Prepare ulit ako. At pala yung, meron na ako ng hot at cold para mamaya. Kaya kahit mapanis yan, kahit magka-acid sila. Anong naman ito? Coffee, steam milk. Okay, coffee, steam milk, caramel syrup. Tanga! Caramel sauce yan. Shoot. Fudge. Tanga naman. Mamadali. Okay. Coffee, steam milk. Ano yan? Caramel syrup, hazelnut syrup. Uy, si hazelnut. Chocolate sauce. Then, prep na ako nito. Ito na yung order mo. Wala naman siyang baby dala, oh. Patong mo sa baby yung, ay, low ko. Ba't ang sama niyo? After nyan, okay. Loko, balaan mo ko, daga, para at least hindi ganun kalala. Mag-i-stream pa ako sa TikTok. Ay, sa TikTok. Sa Twitch. Bilis nyo. Broom. One customer pa, babae. Okay, good. This woman. Pretty woman. Ayan na. Loko. Di mo naman alam to eh. Hello. Si Machiko. That's strange. Ma'am? Oh. I'm sorry. Give me the usual. Ano yung usual? Kaulo ka ba? Ngayon nakita. Usual. Salted caramel, caramel macchiato, sweet red beans and butter. Okay. Sweet red beans and butter. Prep ko na. May nakita ko rin. Saan na? What? Ayun. Okay. Tapos, caramel macchiato. So, caramel, salted caramel. Caramel syrup, caramel sauce. Okay. Salted caramel mocha muna. Yung same order kanina. Ito. Milk. Prep ng milk. Para mamaya. Okay. Coffee milk sa pangkape. Caramel syrup, hazelnut. Caramel syrup, hazelnut. Uy, si hazelnut! Chocolate sauce. Ba't hindi ka nagsasawa, hazelnut? Paulit-ulit ka binabanggit yan. Okay, so meron ako nito. And then, isa pa. So, kape. Steam milk. Prep na ako ng kape. Tsaka steam milk. Milk. Okay. Coffee, milk. Ano yan? So, tapos na ako salted caramel mocha. Double check ko na. Send ko na. Okay. Walang takip. May takip. Nalilito pa ako. Sa inyo yan. Ano to? Coffee steam milk. Ang kailangan mo, caramel macchiato. Tama ba? Caramel syrup, caramel sauce. Caramel syrup, caramel sauce. Ito. Takip. Ito. Okay. Asas. Hey! Are you repairing the store antenna at this hour? Antenna? No, ma'am. Why? I saw someone on the roof. What? There shouldn't be anyone on the roof. It should be an investigator. Maybe I should check it out. It could have been my imagination. Anyway, the drink, please. Inabot ko na sa iyo ah. Ready na screen record. Storage room, ladder. Okay. Ito na. Wait. Hindi kuya. Go lang. Inabangan ko sa aking part. Check mo yung storage room. Shoot. May pause pala. Ito pala yung pause. Check mo yung storage room. Mamaya uncle then ladder. Okay. How about now? It's been an honor. Loko. Use the ladder. Check the roof. Okay. Outside. Tumatawa si Kirin. Loko. Ay. Wait. Let's drink water first. Drink. This drink is sponsored to you by Gripo. May pang story mamaya. Loko. Go down. Yo. Shoot. Go up. Ah. Where am I? Pak, shit. Ba't ako bumaba ron? No. May nakitira dito sa ano. I have to close the store. Fast. Shoot. Lock the door. Saan po? Teka. Okay. Kunin ko to. What is this? Get money. Okay. Putik na ikot yan layo. Wait. Parang hindi ka na makakita. No. I'm gonna play Tetris. Okay, money. At some money. Wrap it like it's honey. Uy! Daga. Saan yung produkto? May bibilangin ka pang products, uncle. Where? Okay. Where? Storage? Labas ka dyan sa counter. Oh. Okay. Paano ko bibilangin? How do I count? Kailangan ko ba ng scanner? Hindi optimize yung takbo ko. 369. Okay. Ano? Bakit ba kasi? Ba't di ka ba pwede manligaw na maayos? Saan ako? Saan ako? Where do I go? Likod. Walang lalabas, uncle. Where do I go? Emergency exit. I'm dead. Akala ko ba mahal niya ako? Let's try? Takbo lang ako? What does it... Okay. Ba't new settings? Gumagano pa ulit-ulit. Okay. Hindi na ako matakot sa'yo kasi nakita na kita eh. Yep, I'm not scared of you. Ooh, bilis niyo. Huwag ka aalis. Magtago ako sa rooftop. Visit kayo. Sabi niyo emergency exit. Hindi ka makakatakbo doon. Okay. Para kung narin nanonood ako. 200 IQ play. Na yung pangharang. And then what? Okay, nakita ko na screwdriver. Then CR. Okay. Ay, jokes ba yung may ano? May ito, CR. Sabi na eh. May something important dito sa CR na to. Ba't ang tagal? Puisit na. Tagal. Puisit niyan. Hindi nabuksan niya yung pinto. Tagal, Diyos ko po. Survival instinct of a soldier. Diretso CR, no? Okay. Am I home? Shoot. Where do I go? Susi? Yung ano ko. My stuff are gone. Walang susi ko. Wala susi. Wala susi. Help me. Help me. Garbage na sa labas. Wala. Nasa labas yun. Nasa ground. Where? Ground sang ground. Sa entrance. Doon sa pinaglabasan. Oh, snap. Shoot. Oh, snap. Snap. Dito ako lumabas. Wala rito. What do you mean? Balik ka doon. Dito na ako. Dito, di ba? Dito ako lumabas eh. Andyan yan. Check entrance. Ayun! Shoot! Oh. Sagsama yan. Pag umarang yan, sagsama mo. Teka. Hindi ako naglalakad. Pinipilisan ko nga eh. Umuwi ka pa sa bahay, taga dyan din yung tao. Hey, shit. Hindi, kita na kasi ulo, ay dahil natakot eh. Hey, patay! What? Ano yung tamang way? You should try to run. Takbo na lang sa kalsada, di ba? I think. Ay, dito tumakas sa go to the rooftop. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna try sa sa may... Paano umakit sa rooftop? Eh, wala na yung hagdanan. Wala na rin semento. Try ko muna yung kalsada. Ang bilis. Diyos po. Ba't ganito yung sensitivity niya? Hindi na bago. Okay. Check mo ulit. Nasa storage yung ladder. Okay. Sure. Okay. Tatakbo na ako. Ito na. I'm running. Ito yung ladder. Okay. I have the ladder, you see? Kunin ko na yung screwdriver. Wow! Buhat pareho. Tapos, shoot. Diyos ko po, hindi dyan. Diyos ko po. Bilisan mo. Rooftop. Okay, ito na. Naamoy ka. I smell the stench. Nice and good. Pwede ka dumaan sa room niya? Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi mo need yung vent? Kinuha ko yung ladder eh. No! Mr. Investigator. What? Ay, tanga. I can't. No. Dapat para, dun niya, no? No. I should take the car. No, mali. Sa loob ka, uncle. I can't go in now. Wait. Ito nga. Oh. And then what? Ito, may simento ako. Baba ko? Paluin ko siya. Asan na siya? Where are you, boy? Patayin mo yan, Chaz. Throw it at him. I don't know. Wala siya eh. I don't see him. Where are you, boy? Hey, boy. Home Alone Marco Edition. I'm not alone today. I have my niece with me. I can't remember. Remember! What do you mean? Lure him? How? Sasayaw ako katulad ng Yung customer kanina. Drop mo lang ata yan. Okay. It doesn't say. Oh. No. Lure him. Baba ako? Gusto ko siyang patayin eh. Uncle, kasi I drop mo dapat yan. It doesn't say. Try going inside your car again. Baka mulit. Baka mulit na naman. Bakit tatapon mo yun sa loob ng kotse? Ah, hanapin mo siya. Okay. Where? Baba ako. Puti ka, huwag ka na baba. Uncle. Wala nga siya eh. Wala ah. Hindi rin ako nalalagdag. Meron yan dapat option na i-drop. Go down, no. It doesn't say. Nasa kotse siya, oo. Pero ba, feeling ko ganung same siya ng outcome eh. Wait, search ko. Search ko na ha. What? You found it? Malapit sa namatay. Punta ako ron. Keep scouring the rooftop edges. Wala eh. I can't go up here. No? Hindi siya nakakayat. Huwag ka baba. It's investigator. Oh. Dapat may option. It doesn't say. Na-drop the brake. Hanapin mo pa, uncle. Closer. No, I can't get close eh. I think sa side ka pa. Side? Here? Or no, it doesn't say. From the back seat of visit, nakakanta pala si dapat dyan. Dyan, right. Here. Huh. What am I missing? What am I missing? Wait. Check ko nga. Visit na si Karen eh. Kasi sa mga like, like song ko eh. Endings. Check ko ah. What? Ba't ganun? Wala eh. Sabi dito lang daw eh. I don't see the stalker. Isang taon pa lang. Baka sa kotse nga. Think? Eh sabi ni Daga hindi eh. Bakit siya nawawala? Isang taon pa lang ako nasundan na ni Toto. Wait, I don't get it. Wait. Should I go down? Sabi niya, hindi ako bababa eh. What am I missing? Try mo baba ang tapos kotse pero huwag ka papasok sa kotse. Okay. Baba ako. Kunin ko yung susi. Fucking shit. Ano yun? Umusog. Umusog yung karakter ko. Man, that was scary. Kunin ko yung susi. Then balik ako sa taas. Hindi ko pipindutin yan. Mamaya kasi biglang pumasok agad eh. Balik ako. Wala pa din. What is wrong with this game? What? It's not working eh. What is wrong with this game, ha? Para lang matrigger na lumabas yung stalker. Dapat nandyan sa shadow siya eh. Shadow sa taas. Wait. What if, ano mangyari pag pinindot ko yung car? Wait. Okay. What is this? Why? Did it get bugged? Shoot, I think it bugged. Okay. Pasok na ako sa kotse. Baka nag-bug. So, bug pa yung game. Sige, mag-message ako sa dev. I think bugged yung game. Okay. Ulitin ko. Visit na stalker to. Okay. Paano kaya? I think tama naman yung ano nyo, yung shoot ang bliss. Okay. So, close ko to. Wait. What if kunin ko na yung screwdriver? Are these photographs of me? Ginagawa mo sa pictures ko, huh? You naughty boy. Like yung keys. Try going to the ladder again. Nagad. What if you don't go? Okay, yeah. I get it. Yep. I don't go to the vents. Okay. Tama. Need talaga ng vent eh. No. I don't think I can. I don't think I need ng vent eh. Let's check. Kasi ito na yung ladder oh. Kasi ito na yung door. Let's see if this works. Where is he? What? What's going on? Diyan sa shadows. I don't see. Sa gitna. Ayun na siya. Diyan siya. I don't see him. What? Where? Ayun. Makulit ka. Pumalo ka pa. Ponk. Nagsaka naman. Sabog yung ulo. I killed the man as I picked up the brick. That man looked right at me. If I didn't drop it, I thought he would somehow get inside and kill me. That man looked terrifying. I didn't even know him. Why did he? I had no choice. I didn't mean to kill him. I was scared. I ran to the police. I told the police everything that had happened. Then the police took me back to the scene, and that man was no longer there. There was no one there. And the police took me back home and told me to leave the rest to us and went back to investigate the scene. It's all over. I'm tired after all that happened. Now I want to rest peacefully at home. Buhay pa rin yung animal. Buhay pa rin siya. Okay. Oh boy. Nakamang pinapanood eh. The cable is acting weird again. Ang hilig ng lalaki ni Santana. I should call the owner. May gagawin pa ba ako dito? Kailangan pa tumakbo? Rest peacefully after Mr. Why would you return to your home, move somewhere else, woman? I know, right? Dito niya nga nakita yun eh. Why? In God's green earth, na iisipin mo bumalik kung saan mo nakilala yung stalker niyan. Are you dumb? May kape. Where's my phone? Ay, may gagawin pa ako. After classes, malaman. Walang budget. True. Meron skit sa Facebook yung takot na takot siya. Ay, may multo sa bahay nila. Okay, why did I go out? Wow, it's the first time see this place. Uncle, check mo yung cabinet, please. Yung cabinet. Okay. Oh. Cabinet safe. Yeah. Cabinet safe. Oh. What do you mean? Okay, paano right now? Phone ringing? I don't know where the phone is. Wait. Nakita ko sa labas. Ay, nagre-ring sa labas. Okay. Nasaan? Baba? Okay lang ako lumabas. Ay, nako. Okay. Ito yung cellphone ko. Speedrun strats. Balik na ako. No need to go through the... Okay. Time to go home. Ano yung cellphone ko? What? Nahilo ko Ayep. What are the chances? Ain't no way. Ang gusto niya siguro, iabot na ulit sa akin yung phone. I'm dead! I'm dead! Okay. Di naman pala nakakatakot eh. It's not scary. Takte. Parang pa naman nakakatakot. Oh, come on. Yeah. Yeah. So dead siya. Yeah. Hindi siya nakakatakot. Okay, good night at everyone. Yep, good night, good night, good night. Boy, yung MC. Oh, seryoso? Wait, is that the happy ending? May multiple endings ba to? I'm gonna check nga. Stealthy escape. To achieve this, a player needs to find the screwdriver and use it to open the vents. They can crawl through the vents where the program skier is located. None. Okay. Let's escape to the storeroom and comes the stalker. They're immediately captured. Okay. Yep. 3 endings lang. May ito mas para social. Oh, safe naman daw yung bida eh. Shoot. Nice. Man, bigyan niyo mo nakakatakot ng ano. Nakakatakot na game. Para social, mas intense. Let's see. Ba't ba kasi lalabas sa gabi? Closing shift eh, night shift siya eh. Denogo. Yoroshike. Streamer yung MC. Oh, snap. Iniwan na lang sana yung Nokia. Mahal-mahal na Nokia. Nakita mo ba? Flip phone yun. Muuso na ulit yung mga flip phones now eh. Okay. Damn. Wait. Ano yung meron sa time limit? Gusto ko bumili ng flip phone? Yung luma o yung bago? Abon. Horror game ka pa bukas? Maybe. Akala ko may nakaano rito. May nakaganon. Ito. Upo, ano pala to, lamesa. Tapos poste. Horror game bukas. I'm gonna check. More likely, hindi. Sa Tuesday ako mag-horror para social. Kasi na gani yung stream ng Twitch, naghang for some reason. Gawa ka ng channel about horror games, so bigay ako ng mga recommendation doon. Channel sa Discord. Wait, gusto mo gawin kita Discord manager, moderator. Gawa ka channel. I will. Psychological horror kasi nire-recommend namin. Yeah, I like I like all types ng horror kahit hindi puro jump scare. Gusto ko yung play pacify. Kirin! Wait, sumo talaga duguan. No. I like everything, every type of horror. Sige, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna create ng Discord channel for horror games and then yeah, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Well, that's that. That is closing shift. It was fun, pero medyo still buggy dahil nagmamadali ako, but it's actually fun. Hindi ko man na nagamit yung ibang hindi ko nagamit yung ibang menu. I didn't get yung part ng parang may mga madidilim. Is that yung mga shadow people? Is that parang ghost lang or parang nananakot lang sila or nightmare lang niya dahil ini-stalk siya? You can say na may takot siya na pag-inipan niya yun dahil lagi siyang late tapos nagmamadali siya kaya may time. Tapos yung stalker, yung ghost sa panaginip lang. So that's not true. Too much anxiety. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Too much anxiety. Rating, rate out of 10. Para siyang how should I say this? Hindi naman siya triple A game. So, yung mga buggy parts pa siya. Pero when it comes sa horror, I'd go with 8. Sa, syempre dahil parang indie game siya. Actually, in game would be 9 dahil sa indie game siya. Depende sa cost niya. Pero yeah, the horror is 8. Tired siya, uncle, hallucinate ata. That's what I'm thinking, yeah. Kirin, para siyang pagod, no? Well, it was fun. Okay.